Welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair Bluetooth earbud to our Samsung phone. Friends you have paired guys any Bluetooth device and friends you want to unpair this device. So how can you unpair? In this video friends I will show you. So before starting video friends first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video. So when we will on our phone setting to unpair our earbud. Then guys scroll it. Friends you can see your phone connection setting guys, tap here. Guys click on guys your Bluetooth setting. Friends you can see guys we have paired guys this ptron company TWS earbud. Friends we want to unpair this Bluetooth earbud device network. Right side setting option guys, tap here guys, you can see disconnect, rename option, calls and audio guys you can off and you can on from here. You want disconnect you can disconnect, you want to change device name you can change. As you can see unpair option this right side guys, tap here. Friends you can see you will need to pair it again guys if you want to use any second time. So when you will have to pair if you unpair. So we will click on unpair option guys, device will unpair guys, we cannot use this device. And if we use when we will have to pair again, then guys we can use, otherwise not. So like that guys you can unpair your Bluetooth earbud to your Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye guys. Before going please go and like the video, subscribe this channel, and friends you have any doubt related to guys your Bluetooth setting you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.